guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. You know, I'm always appreciative of you coming back and showing love. So if you want to know more details about this unit that I'm rocking, make sure you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Okay, so I'm back. I styled Linette. So this is what we're reviewing. It's the Outre Linette, and it's part of their Perfect Hairline, and it has a 13 by 4 parting space. 13 by 4. So you can part it like you got this much parting space, which is nice. It gives you that versatility. But I got in the color DR Almond Spice, which is this nice color right here. I am here for it. And this is all the colors they got in the back. In here to tell you how to care for it, the difference between the HD transparent lace and the other lace. But I like this wig, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and I use my hot comb to like make it into a side part because you have that option. It took a lot in me not to go with the middle part because you know me, I love my middle part, but I think I did perfectly fine. I look perfectly fine with the side part. It was a struggle trying to lay her down, but I think you can get away without like putting glue or whatsoever because it comes with the elastic straps, which makes it lays down securely. But yeah, I love Linette. Like the color, she was shedding a little bit, but I did cut into her the ear tab. That was my first time cutting the ear tab, which it was nerve-wracking, but I think I did okay for my first time. You know, the lace is ear to ear. I like it. I like the length, and it is yucky. You know I love Miyake texture wig, which is nice. Like, you can't tell me this is not popping. Now, you know, when I love a wig, I can't help my excitement. Like, you can see it all over my face. But yeah, I'm gonna turn around so you can see what she looks like. But let me know what you think of Linette in the comment section, and make sure you're following me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Love Your Crownzz. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man thing.